All right, good morning. Today is September 28th, and we're going to look at the charts today on US30. Right now here, I started a little late because I had some stuff to do, but what is it? No news happened between 8 to 9. So there was this yellow folder with good trades. Didn't think the market would move, but it actually did just a little bit. You can see here on the 1 hour, it popped up just a little bit. Anyways, daily over here, daily charts, we can see a little bit, maybe a possible swing of momentum, right? It's going to come here, go sideways, and then maybe go up a little bit to fill this area up here, and then it'll go back down. So that is a possibility. You can see yesterday, it was actually bullish yesterday, and then it flipped bearish at 11 a.m., dropped, and now it's turning bullish, bouncing off a possible support area, which it created on the 4 hour. So here that is the 11 a.m. drop, consolidated, and now today we're going up for some reason. Again, it's end of the month. There's no other stimulant news or high impact news that could move the market. I don't think so. Yeah, just core price, final GDP, but it's not the real. I think that's not the usually GDP is a red folder. But yeah, so here on the 1 hour, clean traffic to the left. You might have had a small bearish candle right here. You could take it buys, but I don't like that range, I don't like to just play this little wick of 87, risking 142, right? I could have taken impulse entries above here also, but we I was scared of fake outs, so I'm just gonna be more patient, wait for closures. This thing went above and maybe could have wicked back down and then automatic lose, right? But I think hindsight, big bullish move around 6 a.m. Pull back a little bit. Man, what the hell happened at 6 a.m.? That's crazy. Something happened at 6 a.m. Bank of England, UK stuff. I don't know why it moved like that. But yeah, anyways, it dropped, retraced, weak bearish movement, and it broke that resistance. Right? So maybe. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, it was gonna yeah, let's see. See this 15 minute setup. Okay. Would have been nice. 31-point risk. 46. Oh, it happened right at 8:30. So it was news related. 8:30 it popped up. Right? And then yeah, within right at 8:30. 2 minutes. 1, 2, 3. Within the third minute of the third minute of the candle news, it popped up. So that was news really. I don't trade those kind of I don't catch those kind of trades, which is okay. I'm gonna wait for things to happen. But yeah, clean traffic to the left. We got a little support over here, but it could possible for this to just go all the way up here because it's a nice clean single bar. Even on the 15, yeah, nice clean single bar. Look at that rejection right off the 15 right here and drop down. Also, the last 15 minute at 8:45. Oh, closed with no wick. So this is basically the lower wick. I'm watching it on my MetaTrader. You can see it actually making a bigger wick. So here on the 30-minute, if this 30-minute, you know, goes back bearish, it'll be a fake out, and maybe we could take sell. So we'll see. We got 90 seconds left. Yeah, let's see what happens here.
Transparent and open traders out there on social media, and there's no way.
All right, so let's look at the 9 a.m. candle. All right, 4 a.m. So 4 a.m. close bullish. It's clean. What I'm expecting this to do is either right at the open is gonna maybe pull back, do a candle flip entry. 4 a.m. candle close bullish. So basically, what I've seen in the past is one, if a s- if this just shoots up, break the high, I'm gonna manage this. Setup is on the 4 hour. I'm gonna take an entry off the 30 minute or the 1 hour and manage it based off that. Manage based off the 15 minute. Stops will be massive, but profit should be also massive. But in the meantime, I would like to see this come back to support, you know, just create a bearish candle and then go up. So we'll see what happens on here. Here, 30 minute is still pushing. 1 hour could wick fill it, but I ain't gonna, take trade. Oh shoot. Ain't gonna take trades with small stop like that. Hmm. You know? Um, yeah, just watching this right now, this would be 100 point risk for 70 points. Actually, even 180 at the open if that happens. But if it rejects, yeah, I can't be taking, trades like that. I'm not gonna look at the 5 minute time frame. It doesn't follow my plan. But here, the 1 hour, I mean, it went bearish. Didn't drop too much. Like that's a very tight stop. 25 points, 20 points. Yeah, no, I'll watch it. I'll document it, but I ain't used to that. Especially as it's the new 4 hour. I'm really used to seeing the 4 hour just drop a bit more. Drop really back to support level. Um, it's, this 4 hour honestly might feel that. It would have been nice. Candle flip entry, 24. Oh man. If I did a 27-point stop, 20 bucks a point, pretty crazy. Yeah. Honestly, so this will be my potential trade. And this is a high of 326. All the way up to target. Man, 8 minutes. Ooh, look at that. Quick. That thing shot down quick. This is the rejection that I was talking about. This is what I want. There you go. So, as I said, usually it comes back down to support. Maybe this will happen. Maybe no, this can't be a fake out really because the 4 hour closed above, 1 hour closed above, 30-minute closed above. So, you know, it doesn't make sense for it to be a fake out anymore. We're gonna continue to wait. 6 minutes. Yeah, we'll wait. This because at least it would bounce off support, make a liquidity grab based off the 1 hour time frame, even the 4 hour, and then basically entry you enter above that wick. All right. So maybe there's a setup. How low will it go? I 98, so 300. Using normal risk, and I think I'm gonna pause right here and come back when it probably comes up near, or also at NYC Open. All right. So now, right here on the 30-minute, I might take this buy. I'm gonna do half risk first, just because there's 5 minutes left, and sometimes it might just pop up. You know, so quickly. Gonna switch to meta trading view, but I'll be watching this. You can see it on the smaller screen if I'm gonna take a trade or not. But here on trading view, so as I said, the 4 hour, we want it closed above. I wanted it to make a lower low, and that's a pretty decent risk. You know what? Sorry, I'm just watching it. Okay, so 4 hour, close above the resistance, retest the support. Okay, gonna place that there, half risk. And if I don't get filled, then I'll close it. Sorry. So I already placed the entry order here. You can see it down here, I think. Yeah, down here. Entry order is placed, but it's only a half risk because if this happens, then I'll enter the remaining half at the open. Yeah, at the open. And or if I don't get filled before the open, I'll enter the full risk with current stocks below the previous 15-minute low. And then, yeah, that's it. But at least, if anything, I might be able to, to stay in this trade if it happens. Right, 3 minutes is a long time, and usually the last like 90 seconds of the before market opens, some volume just pushes in, and then it flips bearish, or it flips the opposite way. I mean, and then it goes away. So, anyways, going back to trading view, and if I get filled, I get filled. I mean, this is my plan ultimately, anyways. So, 4 hour close above, came back below, created a nice lower wick and candle flip entry on that one. 1 hour, the same thing. Could have taken a candle flip entry, but I wanted a closure. I wanted a closure, a 30-minute closure, just to confirm, right? So you can see a nice bullish price action. Just because the previous 15-minute was bearish, and I can't take buys off this. I don't take entries off the 30-minute. Even though the setup is there, but I'm comfortable right now with 15 minutes, and I'm slowly trying to review and expand my analysis to take trades off the 30-minute, 1 hour. But then I have to think about trade management when I enter on those time frames. So that is the issue. So, anyways, yeah, 30-minute looks clean. We're gonna break this high. Volume should be pushing it up. And a 1-to-1, it's like over here. Right, so this move is about 176, and I'm risking, how much is this? 176. Okay, so basically a 1-to-1. Not bad. All right, we got less than a minute to go. Put up my trading journal. All right, so a few people are saying they missed an entry over here, right? Clean traffic a little bit, basically fill that wick. 63 points. Yeah, would have got a 1-to-1. But I take trades off the 15-minute. And as I said, the bigger time frames are looking good. Right? 30-minute, 1 hour. All right. So if this does not fill me in the last 5 seconds, all right, I will close the previous buy stop and wait. So I didn't get filled. I actually made a low to low. 30-minute close bearish actually is not good. Lower low, indecision candle might actually come back down. And just go back into the range. Let's see. We needed to respect the previous 30-minute 30-minute low. If it does that, then we're still good. Yeah, it dropped. Didn't fill me. But a 30-minute, it closed in a doji. As long as it respects that wick, still potentials to go up, but it needs to break that high. But if it breaks this wick, then we're just going down. Might just go back into the zone, and I don't like the zone. Might be no trades for me if that is going to be the case. Just fine. I'm gonna just be super patient. Um, you know, and in October, I'm just gonna be very, very selective because I gotta get my profits up. Got a nice lessons in September, and now we should be able to just learn from all those mistakes. Right. So we got Paolo talking at 10 o'clock, 10:15, maybe 10:30 after the news reacts. There might be something. Otherwise, just gonna sit and wait. Man, look at that. 23 trades for September. And it wasn't even a good month. Just shows I gotta take lesser trades. Best month for me was May. May I made 8% return. Only took 23 in total. I don't know. They waited 5 minutes. I don't know. This was just good risk management, and I think I was risking half risk. Yeah, I was doing half risk, so less fearful of losing money. All right. So 30-minute and 1 hour, 4 hour, they all broke its own current low. Might just go back into the range. Looking like a no trade day now. You know, maybe at 10 o'clock something might happen, but uh, so gonna remove this just so I don't accidentally press it. And yeah, man, just gonna watch it. You know, now even if I take this trade now, it's gonna be a big stop loss, 200 points. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. We're gonna see. I'll wait till 10. Just gonna put this on pause until something more interesting happens. All right. So looking at this, I might take a buy. Buys above on this 15-minute. I mean, the 30-minute would basically flip bullish. High of 39. Yeah, like 42. But basically now, if this flips, the 30-minute would flip bullish. Right? Stops are down here. I could use closer stops, but you know, I might just do. I'll see. Is that close bullish? I'd like to minimize my. Oh yes, 80. Uh, let's see. If it breaks this, the whole 30-minute would turn bullish using the current 15-minute low because it already made a lower low. That's a big liquidity grab. And now this is the next liquidity grab. But whatever this low is, that will be my stop loss. So let's get ready. I wonder why this is just playing around with the settings. Now, now I need a plan. If this 30-minute does not happen, right? The 12 minutes, I think it will flip me. Looking pretty good on the flip, you know. I would like this 30-minute be bullish at this time. When you look at structure, it just made a lower low. 15-minute. I just want a narrow risk, you know. .52 lots. Okay, bullish on the 15, 23, 80. Okay, placing trades in. Let's see if this gets filled. So 30-minute would close bullish if I get filled. I mean, flip bullish if I get filled. As well as a 1 hour would flip bullish. Oh no, there it is. 1 hour would flip bullish as well. Let's see. Add up. Add up above the 30. Ooh, quick drop in there. Gonna close. All right, cancel that because it's just going back down. Let's see. Honestly, I would just take TP here for like 50. Yeah, 50 points should be good. Because it's 30. Let's do 50. 50 points because that's where this possible resistance is. Even though I'm risking a bit more, 94.08. You know, the 30-minute could flip bullish, 1 hour will flip bullish, 4 hour will flip bullish as well. 15-minute can continue up. Let's see, I see some more buying price action here, so we shall see what happens. Right, so there we are in. Gonna move 50%, close 75% at 50 points. Gonna start documenting this. Yeah. Trade was 51 by flip all time frame. Previous 15. Okay. Flip bullish. Let's see what 5 minute looks looking pretty good. Okay. Should break it. Nice liquidity grab. If it breaks that high, we're gonna go up. Oh, that's a 1 minute. It's a 5 minute. We got 2 minutes left for that to close. Okay. So we'll wait for that. Again, I'm just taking the 50 point because that is where this little resistance is. And also to fill the previous 30-minute wick, 1 hour wick, a 4 hour could fill that wick, you know. So we'll see. We shall see where this thing goes. Using current candle lows because it was entry on the second half of the candle and also it went down twice and then flipped bullish, so it should go up. Otherwise, I do think maybe if this does loses, maybe everyone was waiting for the news at 10 o'clock, which sucks. You know, that would suck. It would very much suck. But to me, structure was there. Flipped. I lose. I lose. Let's see. We got 50 seconds. Might have to close. Damn. What was the high? Yeah, so the high was up here. Just trying to calculate. Damn, man. Yeah, see, it went bullish. Should I have waited? That is the question. Ooh, damn. I know it's still bullish, but shoot. 15 minutes. Might have to close half here. Close above support. Damn. It's a bad trade, man. I'm thinking, should I have done half risk? Should I have waited for the news? These are the emotions coming into my head. I'm documenting this. Was it a FOMO trade? Look at bigger time frames. higher high, higher low, flipped candles on 30, 1 hour, 4 hour. Now it's going back down, which I really dislike. You know, so emotional when you're risking money. The way price is moving, it does look like everyone's just waiting for the news. Whatever Powell's gonna say, I might have to. I feel like closing half at if it comes back to entry, but you know, I mean, the one after 1 hour close bearish, I think I'm just gonna close half, which sucks. But if this goes my way, man, this validates that patience is really needed. Like 100%, man. 100%. 100%. It's just crazy, you know. Like now, I can't even close half because we got 2 minutes left for this candle to close. I'd rather wait for the close to give me the information on from the 5 minute to the 1 hour time frame to see, okay, where is this candle probably gonna go? You know, because I wouldn't like to close half. Yeah, I manage risk, but I close half and then it hits my partial take profit, and then I have less money. You know, you only got 90 seconds, which is a long time when you hold a lot of money in it. Let's see. Failed to break that high. Makes me think. Makes me think. If it respected that high, see this high was 52.40. This one's 51.40. If it doesn't, if it respects that high and it breaks that low, then I gotta close half there. Because then it's just gonna be a wick rejection, you know. And I would need this one or yeah, to basically close above my entry, which in 40 seconds, I don't know if that will happen. Should have entered half risk or just wait for the news. But I saw the liquidity grab. These are the things that go in my head, you know, just how could I manage risks? How could I enter better? Um, so I think 30 minute, yeah, 30 minutes closing bearish. 1 hour closed bearish, which I don't like. So one, if it comes to entry or breaks this low, I'm gonna close half, which would be sad. Let's see. Let's see if it can break that high. If it can't break that high, taps it, then I will close some. Let's see. 17 points. Stops the entry. All right. There you go. Wow. Man, I feel amazing. Damn, man. So 30-minute happened. Build that wick. I got my profits, 50 points secured, another 50 points. And patience. So, despite me making money on this, I could have made more money. I could have taken a better trade. And this is where I could have taken a better trade. Just seeing now in hindsight, right? One, let's go to trading view, Forex Factory. Now stops are at entry. I don't care what happens. I closed 75%. I'm done. I think I made like 1% something. I made some money anyways. So yeah, not even, it's an orange folder. It's not even like a high impact news that could really bring the market up, but orange has some volatility. So anyways, here, this 30-minute. All right, let's go on trading view. I mean, MetaTrader. All right, so I'm gonna enter here, right? So the hourly closed bearish, and now I'm like, damn, man, what the hell? Let me delete this. You know, I'm like, this ain't good. This ain't good at all, right? 30-minute, it closed bearish as well, and now I'm thinking, okay, with the news, where do you put stops, right? I don't know where to put stops. Now I got stopped out, which is all good. Secured the points. And I was actually debating, well, I saw like 30, 40, and it stopped right here. I'm thinking, man, should I just bring the whole trade to entry? But I let the trade play out. Here, you could have done this trade, 100 points. Or even here, like, I don't know, actually. So there's the 5-minute. Oh, no. Off the 5-minute previous low right there. So you'd risk 67 points to make 55. Not bad. Not bad at all. Yeah. All right, man. Look at that trade. 0.98%. Almost a 1% trade. So that is great. I feel good. Gonna post this. And honestly, I think in hindsight, maybe this wasn't the best trade. Okay, let's close it. Maybe it wasn't the best trade, but it made the most sense out of today. I think the best trade today actually is gonna be this trade right here. Impulse entry buys, flipped. It was a quick trade, and those are the kind of trades that I personally want to take. So yeah, I don't care what Powell says right now. There's just too many wicks, and if it moves, it's gonna move like crazy. So yeah, I'm just gonna document this trade and see me document this. So I just want more patience on this, man. I need more patience. Fine. 50 points, another 50-point move, which is pretty nice. So also another why reason, even though I risked 96 points, I settled for 50 because remember market structure here. When you look at a 30, it might just fill up here, right? That was 80, there was 60, going to 15-minute chart. You're like, here's body closes, and I actually went a bit higher, but you know, gotta be conservative. So yes to this, no to full TP, made 200 bucks. You know, pretty good, right? So now I got money to withdraw for the end of the month. I got 256 bucks. Still a few days, 2 more days left on the month. See if I get some more money. See you guys tomorrow.